You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word in English and clarify the pronunciation for you. If you want to learn related vocabulary, medical terms, I've got more videos for you need to learn from, because there are words that are confusing that you need to learn too. Meningitis, that's British English pronunciation. The Americans say it as meningitis with a flap T that sounds like a D. So let's break it down. Men, just like men. In, J, tis. That's it. Meningitis, and yes, stress on the J syllable, not meningitis. No, meningitis. Did you hear this? Can you pronounce it? Here's the pronunciation one last time. Meningitis. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.